name is Tony Wilson. I am a performing artist and a musician, and I'm a raw artist. I've been doing spoken word as a career for about 3 years, and the music around the same time. I was always like, I kind of used the spoken word as like the platform to get me the experience that I need to start to do music. So it started off doing spoken word, going to poetry spots, and really perfecting my way of rhyming. And then I took that and started to start producing. I produce all my music and everything. So it was just kind of one was a stepping stone for the other. My inspiration behind my work is it's really just to create a feeling and an atmosphere. I'm a really energetic person, and I like to you know, get the crowd pumped up, and I use music to get me through different moods, or to really just change the atmosphere, or to like really connect with something that I want to feel. And I want to be able to do that through my spoken word and my music, is to be able to make people feel certain emotions, or get through certain trials, periods, or even if I'm doing a track where I'm just venting, like that they should be able to vent off of what I'm spitting to them. So my favorite thing about my work is that I think seeing my evolution. I had an opportunity before I came to the UK to perform in front of a guy who was kind of instrumental in me, you know, getting involved in spoken word and music. And he had not seen me perform in a while. Like usually when somebody kind of like a mentor of yours, there's always a degree on which you have to show and prove to them. They're not gonna just follow your every move like a supporter would. They're going to just kind of wait for you to show and prove. So we just happened to be at the same show, and he saw me and he pulled me to the side and was like, I really appreciate your evolution. Because he everything that he had kind of instilled in me, as far as don't just do it to be a dope rapper or to be a phenomenal poet. Do it because you love it and you're a student of the music. And I've always loved music. So seeing my evolution and just seeing that I'm finally putting out the work that I always knew I could do, but you know, it just takes you that time to like to get there and really get that polishing that you need. So to check out more of my work, go to www.rawartist.org/IamTonyWilsonKB. I'm Tony Wilson, and I'm a raw artist.